our breathing. Now, Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, we are using our fingers, closing the right nostril through inhale and exhale. Without using your fingers also we can do. If you bring your attention to the right nostril, now just bring your attention to the right nostril. You notice your right nostril is active now. Now bring your attention to the left nostril. Left nostril is active. You can alternate the breathing, right nostril and left nostril, by bringing the attention onto the nostrils. Even the yogis, when they depart the body, they consciously bring attention to the right nostril. Right nostril, it is the path of Agni, path of sun, path of light. Yogis at the time of departing consciously bring the attention to the right nostril and depart through that one. And when we are living, our breathing should be smooth inhale and smoother exhale. When you are inhaling, you should not have any gap. Your inhalation should slowly get translated into exhalation, smooth exhale. When you are completely exhaled, automatically it should convert itself into inhalation without any pause. The pause indicates the deformity, kleshas in the mind and the body. When you are healthy, indication of the health, good health, is smooth inhale and slow translation into exhale. Inhale and exhale. This type of conscious breathing helps in calming the mind also. Calms the mind, makes the mind very serene. And the death in the, you inhale and you can't exhale. When there is a pause, it indicates death. And I exhaled, I can't inhale. There is a gap. That indicates a death again. Try not to have any pause. Inhale and smooth inhale and exhale. Like a smooth cyclic rhythm. Up, inhale and exhale. Consciously do this one.